Okay, that was probably the easiest takedown ever. You just basically walk into his mouth. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Spider Cafe. My name is Miro, and what you just watched was feeding of our male Heteropoda boiei. We recently got a pair, but they both had a bad molt. The female lost a couple of legs and the male actually died. I felt pretty bad about it and I decided to get another male, and the female in the meantime she regrew her legs, so you know, we are back in full force. I wanna make this one short, so let's get to it. Let's get to the unboxing. We're actually gonna start with him, Heteropoda boiei. Alright, there is the spider. We will try to get him out, of course. We're gonna try to do it this way. We have a little vent hole. I think somebody's a little grumpy. Mister! Mister! Let's see if we can get him out. Mister, are you stuck in there? I hope not. Nah, he's good. Okay, cool. Well, there it is. Let's see. All legs. 4, 8. Yeah, he's got all legs. Alright, so that unboxing went really well. Before we watch the Avicularia purpurea, I just want to say that we got these two spiders and actually another one. So we got 3 spiders from same seller that we found on Tarantula forum, and all spiders are really healthy and doing really well, so I'm really happy about it. So some of those experiences are great, some of those experiences are not as good as you guys maybe remember. We recently received 2 cooked spiders, so if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. It's kind of just like a rough cut because I didn't even want to deal with it. Alright, let's watch the Avicularia purpurea. I'll be back to wrap it up after this. Let's get started here. Ay, 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 ay. There she is. Ah, she's a nice size. Let's see if we can just pull her out. Let's see. Wow, way darker than I expected, huh? I expected a little bit more purple on her. But you can kind of see it at certain angle, huh? But yeah, here is our gorgeous female. Let's see if we can let her explore a little bit. Alright, Missy. If we can get her on the moss, that would be kind of nice. Yeah, she is a little puppy. It would probably take a lot to scare her. It almost feels out of character, guys, when you see them hunting, because this is how they are most of the time. They're just like super chill. She's gonna drink probably. Yeah, she looks like she's having a drink. You can definitely see some of the purple. She's going for more. Let's see. That's awesome. Yep. Get it, girl. Hope you enjoyed this video. The next one's gonna be Hyles DRD jumping spiders. so it's gonna be a lot of fun. That's gonna come out on Wednesday, so check it out. Don't forget to subscribe, notifications and all that jazz. Alright, I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.